woke up and I said I'm going to leave early to get gas. It is now 8 o'clock and I'm at the gas station, and the amount of bad vibes, the amount of shit that has been happening from morning. This is just setting up to be a weird day. I'm not gonna say terrible because I'm not manifesting that, but like this taxi man almost smashed up my car to the point where I have to swerve off the road twice, and then he proceeds to cuss me off and tell me I must run up in him car and how I must and he's cussing blue murder, and I'm just like, I might stop driving this route because it gets me so annoyed and so upset and sad in the mornings that I might just say to myself that I'm going to stop driving this route and take another route in the mornings, because I cannot manage the foolishness going to work in the mornings. My car is screaming out. This man has been on the pump for like 10 minutes now. I made a big mistake to come behind him. Like, you don't know, well, you probably do know how it feels to finally reach the end of the day. I have a splitting headache and I'm so drained that I have to kind of take a little bit of time to just recoup before I go straight into traffic. guys, or wherever in the world you are. I'm on my way to work. I'm feeling pretty good this morning. I woke up from like 3 o'clock. So I had ample time to get my stuff in order and just get my mind right. So message you guys back because you know the whole driving and recording I don't really like, so